Our topic is how to overcome stage fright and speak confidently. Stage fright, also known as glass phobia, is one of the most common fears people experience. It can cause nervousness, shaking, sweating, and dry mouth, and even a racing heart. However, the good news is that you can overcome it with practice and the right mindset. Let's break it down step by step. Understanding stage fright. Stage fright happens because of the fight or flight response. Your brain perceives public speaking as a trait triggering adrenaline release. This causes physical symptoms like shake hands, a pounding heart, and dry mouth. Instead of fearing it, recognize that this is just your brain's way to preparing for an important event. Preparation is key. One of the best way to reduce fright is to prepare thoroughly. When you know your material well, you gain confidence and reduce anxiety. Tips for effective preparation. Know your topic, research your subject so well that you feel comfortable discussing it from different angles. Organize your speech, structure it into a clear beginning, middle, or end. Use bullet points or cue cards if needed. Practice out loud. Rehearse in front of a mirror, record yourself, or practice with a friend. Simulate the real environment. If you are presenting in a hall, practice speaking in a large room with similar acoustics. Mastering body language. Your body language plays a huge role in how confident you appear. Even if you feel nervous, using open and strong body language will make you look and feel more confident. Body language tips. Stand tall with a straight posture. Avoid slouching as it signals insecurity. Maintain eye contact. Don't stare don't stare at one person, but look at different sections of the audience. Use hand gestures. Move naturally, but don't forget excessively. Smile. It relaxes both you and your audience. Managing nervousness before speaking. Pre-speech techniques to stay calm. Deep breathing. Take slow, deep breaths before going onto the stage to reduce anxiety. Try the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. Positive visualization. Imagine yourself speaking confidently and successfully. Power poses. Stand in a Superman or Wonder Woman pose for 2 minutes before going on stage to boost confidence. Warm up exercises. 2 tongue twisters. Tongue twisters or read out loud to improve vocal clarity. Engaging your audience. The more you focus on connecting with your audience, you will focus on your own nervousness. Way to engage effectively. Start with a strong opening. Use a question, a story, or a surprising fact. Make it interactive. Ask questions or use humor to build rapport. Use pauses. A short pause before key points make you sound more confident. Speak at a moderate pace. Speaking too fast makes you seem nervous, turning turning nervousness into energy. Instead of trying to eliminate nervousness, use it as excitement. Many great speakers still feel nervous, but they transform that energy into enthusiasm. Mindset shift. Instead of thinking, I am so nervous, tell yourself, I am excited to share my message. Instead of fearing mistakes, remember, even if I mess up, I will cover and continue. Practicing in low stakes situations. Start with small audience before speaking in bigger events. Practice in front of a mirror helps with self-awareness. Record yourself. Watch your recordings to improve. Speak in small groups. Get used to an audience. Join a speaking club like Toastmaster. Gain confidence gradually. Learning from every speech. Every time you speak, you gain experience. If something goes wrong, analyze what happened and improve next time. Self improvement tips. Ask for feedback from trusted friends or mentors. Watch professional speakers and analyze their techniques. Keep a public speaking journal to track progress. Final words. Overcoming stage fright is not about eliminating fear completely. It's about managing it and becoming comfortable despite it. With practice, the fear will decrease and confidence will grow. The more you prepare, practice, and perform, the easier it will become. Okay, thank you everyone.